All right, guys, I'm back to talk about TLM right now. Um, I did a video on this a while back, knew nothing about it, absolutely zero. I just told you that my trading indicator brought this up. And I tell you the truth, it continued to pop up in my hybrid trading indicator. And so I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and buy some. All right. So I went ahead and took a position in TLM. And like I said, the primary reason for that, guys, the primary reason for me taking a position is one, it's a gaming coin. Two, it's pretty significant. You can go and research, just type in Alien Worlds or type in TLM on coinmarketcap.com. You can do the research yourself. You can see what they're about. But here, biggest thing for me, 98% drop. 98% drop, and this thing was trading, guys, at $8, almost $9, guys. Okay, almost $9 when this thing was launched on Binance. Okay, so 97% drop from where we are right now. Okay, I think I said it before. This is about 18x just from where we are right now. And tell you the truth, as we start to draw out our we can draw out the fib level. Tell you what, before I even draw out the fib levels, let's look at the clear areas of support and resistance, right? So one, our first hurdle is we're going to have to get above this level, 82 cents, right? You see that we had a significant drop here. Resistance right here. Second level is going to be right here in this area, around $1.77, right? So anywhere between $1.60, $1.77, somewhere in that range. These are the two major areas, guys. From a weekly, on the weekly perspective, let me see if I can come down to the daily. Okay, on the daily, it shows us a few other little hurdles, right? We have a little bit of turbulence at 250, 330, 470. Okay, a little bit of turbulence there in those areas. Right now, we can see that we're gaining support around this area, which is good because we broke out of this big W pattern. And then if we want to look at a measured move, right? Measured move for this really was here at about 66 cents. As you can see, we already came up to about 58 cents already. So I bought it around 42. I bought it around 43, 44 cents is where I bought it, right? And once again, primary reason is because not for this little bit of gains right here, but I definitely think over the next 6 to 12 months, I think this thing is going to push back up. I think this thing is going to make a push back up. Let us draw the fibs, top to bottom. And we see the first major level here, $2.14. Okay, that kind of coincides with these wicks that we saw right around $2.45, right, somewhere around there. But wow, I mean, this is when you want to buy a coin, right? This is when you want to buy one, especially a gaming coin. It had enough popularity to go up to $8. I mean, you got stuff like Gala Games and Sandbox and all of them that haven't even hit $8 yet. This thing went to $8. Okay, so I think that signifies some huge potential for TLM. So watch out for that. Like I said, just from an investor's perspective, guys, this is when I love to buy. This is where I love to buy. This is the kind of stuff that will turn, 500 into, 20 grand, 10 grand, 20 grand pretty easily. $1,000 into 10,000, 20,000 fairly easily. So these are the places to buy, guys. Not when they're already pumping like this, but when they look like this. This is the time. And lots of sideways movement here since May of this year. So remember what I told you about CRO, right? I gave you the same example for CRO. CRO had dumped heavily, and then it had moved sideways for about 9 months. It stayed in a range of like, I think the range was somewhere around 15 to 25 cents or something like that. It just stayed in that range for 9 months. This thing already now, we're almost at 7 months of this kind of sideways consolidation happening. After this, guys, and I'm telling you, the action's going to start when we break above this level, right? When we break above this, what is that again? 80 something, somewhere around 70 to 80 cents. Then it's going to start getting real interesting as we start to make our way back up here, especially on the weekly time frame. Not much resistance, especially when we get over this, get over $1.80. I think it's going to go up fast once that happens, right? So, okay, guys, just wanted to bring TLM to you. Make sure you have it on your radar. And if you can, you should scoop some up. Take care, guys. All the best. Bye-bye.